this is Live Total Parts Pro. Today is the 2019 Kia Carnival, stock on the 6720. This ran from the 1st 2015 to the 10th 2020. There's a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, 8.8 speed automatic transmission. This is D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 19-inch factory American tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate 1 dent. Right hand taillight. Right rear 19-inch factory American tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 19-inch factory American tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door curb. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,